In this video, I show you exactly how I shot a full music video using only my phone. No expensive camera, no big crew, just creativity, good angles and smart lighting.
Watch behind the scene I break down my setup, shooting technique and how we.
We shot a full music video in just one day, and finished the editing that same day. From planning the scenes, setting up the shots, filming everything, and jumping straight into the edit, this was a full creative grind. Watch how we turned one day.
Ngasukuma rifi jikaji khona lana vela rawo sondela ngapha kancane noma ungakhipha itekeli one ngathi yamnika yabona
Of hard work into a complete music video. If you love behind-the-scenes content, fast-paced production, and raw creativity, this video is for you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more music and behind-the-scenes content.